Hello guys, welcome to Dedicated.com. Very first, in the first part, we are going to explain, whereas in the second video, this video is all about how to install GCC, Yarn and the securities for your server. So let's start. Very first, we will install GCC. To install a GCC, so we can able to enter this command. Our GCC installation will start it. So in this case, enter yes and continue. Enter, wait to restart the services. Here we are adding some security. If you think we are adding a value, then please like, share and subscribe this video. And in this video we are also creating some additional security factors, so don't miss this and watch video till the end. So now time for Yarn installation. We can enter this command. Our Yarn installation started. Say yes. This message shows our Yarn installation has been completed successfully. Now it is time for brute force attack or multiple login failure protection. So for that we are using a package called as a fail to ban package. So this helps to ban the IP address which are try to attack on the server with the brute force attack. Before moving further, we need to update the system, and then we can install fail to ban. Now our fail to ban installation has been completed. Now we will do some settings. Now it is time to start the fail to ban. To start the fail to ban, we can able to use this command. Now our fail to ban has been started. To check the status, we just need to enter here status. You can able to see that it is active. And to learn more about fail to ban, we have already given a link in the description of this video, so you can able to learn more about fail to ban and its services. And in this case, default IP blocking is 5, and if you wanted to ignore the IP address, the document is already given. You can able to follow and learn from that. Now it is time for create a user and block a root. That means we are going to create a random user, so nobody can able to guess your username, because by default all the operating system use root as a username. So in this case we are changing that to a something random, so it will reduce the highest level of possibility to avoid attack on the server. In this case we will first create a user, and here we will enter minipro1, so nobody will guess this name, and enter. Now we need to set the password. To set the password, we can enter this command minipro1. Minipro1 is a user that we are creating. It will ask for the password. I will enter the password. If you don't know how to create a secure password, then you can able to go to the online websites. You will find that. So our password has been updated successfully. Now very first step has been completed. That means we has created the user. It is now time to make that user as a root user. It means we are allocating the same permission as a root to minipro1. As instructed, we are now converting minipro1 to a root privileges. To do this, we can use this command and enter here our user. So in this case, this user become the root. To block the root from login, we need to first log in into minipro1. To do that, just enter su minipro1. So we are enter into minipro as a administrator. Now time to block the root. To block the root, we need to do two steps. Very first, we need to edit the file and replace this line with this and save the file. Now the second part, disable SSH root login. To do that, we need to edit this file. In that, search for permit root login. Just scroll it. Here we can able to see that if it is commented, just remove that, and here it is written yes. Replace this with no and save the file. After that, we need to restart the SSH. To restart the SSH, we can able to use this command. Now one more thing is remaining, that is whenever you are logging with the help of minipro1, so each time whenever you are running any root level commands, in that case each time it will ask you for the password. So to solve this, you can able to use this following method. Very first, we need to edit the file. That is, sudo space vi space slash etc slash sudo year and scroll down to the bottom. So we will get the format. Here it is a format. Here we just need to enter our username. Username is mini pro1 space enter all is equal to no password colon all. Now save the file and done. Now for the one last time we need to restart the SSH and enter this command. SSH has been restarted. Now we will try with our new user mini pro1, entering a password, and you can able to see we successfully logged in. And this is how we can able to change the things and secure our entire server. If you think we have added some value in your life, please like, share and subscribe this video.